Dr. Angela Chernowski, Grand Blanc Chiropractic, here with Sarah. Sarah's one of my longtime patients. Back in June, she did some international traveling to Japan and injured your shoulder, right?
Yeah.
And how did you injure it?
By pulling my big suitcase up and down the steps.
Yeah.
And there wasn't just 5, there was like 12 and then another 12.
So here's the bad part about the shoulder. The shoulder has the most range of motion of every single joint in the body, so that when you injure it, because it's inherently the most unstable joint, because it has all that motion, it takes quite a bit of maneuvering and treatment to get it back to stabilize it. So I've been adjusting her for the last several weeks. How much better would you say you've gotten?
Oh, much better. A lot better, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot more motion in my arm.
So today, before I adjusted her, I actually checked the range of motion, and it actually is pretty good today. So this is a shoulder adjustment. That's for the scapula, the shoulder blade. This is the AC joint at the top of the shoulder, and that is very, very much responsible for shoulder pain and problems. The glenohumeral joint is the shoulder joint itself. And then one last adjustment. It's not just one single thing that I have to do. It's several to get that shoulder good and stabilized. Go ahead and move it around, Sarah. Tell me how it feels now.
Okay. Up, down, back, around, and it's awesome.
Good.
I'll be able to sleep tonight.
Good, good. Dr. Angela Chernowski, Grand Blanc Chiropractic.